Ayun, 35 ka na ba? We wish you all the best sa life, sa health mo, and sa career. Sana happy ka lagi, and sana mag-ingat kayo lagi ni Elvin at lahat ng kasama niyong family dyan. See you soon. Whenever, wherever. Yun lang. Hinay lang sa pagkain. Kisan nyo kami ng sandero, ha? Love. See you. Ingat lagi.
Hi Farah, happy birthday. Bumakat ka manid. Manutitawan mo, 37, 38. Nagay. I hope you are happy and blessed. And see you soon.
Happy birthday, more blessing, tsaka sana yumaman ka na, bilisan mo kasi nakakalimutan mo na ako, tsaka namimiss na kita, namimiss ko yung yung magkasama tayo, yun lang, sana mag-anak ka na, love you.
Hi girl, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.
Hello Farah, happy birthday. I wish you many more birthdays to come. Yun. Enjoy your day. God bless. Ingat palagi dyan.
Enjoy your day. I love you, girl.
Hello, Ate Farah from the Philippines, Mindanao
From the-
Republic of Saharan.
Happy birthday, Far.
Ano sabi mo? Anong wish mo? Anong
Happy
wish mo
birthday.
kay Farah?
May all your wish come true.
Ate Farah, sabihin mo lang kung mag-craving siya ng mangga or anything na maasim para bigyan kita at mag-ano tayo.
Asan yung mangga? Asan yung mangga?
Diyan
Ayun, mangga, oh.
Mo, nabog
Ayun.
yung mangga.
Oh.
Para yan sa'yo for this year.
Okay, happy birthday,
Happy
Far.
birthday. See you later.
Go! Happy birthday, Tita Far!
Happy birthday!
Happy 42nd birthday! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Ate Farah! I wish you good health and stay beautiful.
Happy birthday Farah.
Happy birthday, Farah! Have a good day!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Farah! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Have a good holiday, Farah! Woohoo! We miss you!
Happy birthday, Tita Mama. I love you. Then to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Tita Farah. Thank you lang. Sobrang grateful lang sa lahat ng nagawa mo. And deserve mo maging happy araw-araw. And more birthdays to come. Ingat palagi.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and a wish of everything. Sorry I'm not speaking this straighting, but I'm just adjusting. Hey, you want some friends? You want some this, and everything. It is, I'm so rich, my nigga. Live what you want and live what you need. I love you, Stefara.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday!
birthday to you. Ang wish ko lang wala naman akong wish because alam kong happy ka at kasama mo kami ngayon sa birthday mo. Sana lang marami kang mahanda para mabusog kami. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, Tita Farah. Happy birthday. Thank you. I miss you. And 2, 3, go catch ball.
Happy birthday, Maring Farah. Lagi kang mag-ingat dyan. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Farah. Hi.
My love, happy birthday to the most beautiful woman in my life. Every day I thank God for you, not just because you are an amazing wife, but because you are my best friend, my peace, and my greatest blessing. You make our home warmer. You make my life brighter. You make ordinary days feel special just by being in them. Thank you for your patience, your strength, your love, and for always standing beside me. Even when I'm not perfect, you inspire me to be a better husband and a better man. On your birthday, I just want you to know how deeply you are loved, not just today, but every single day. I'm proud of you. I'm grateful for you, and I would choose you over and over again. Here's to more laughter, more dreams, more adventures, and growing old together. Happy birthday, my love. You are my forever.